Hey everyone, welcome back to One the Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add project on your LinkedIn. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you do that, on your screen at the top left corner, you can see your user icon. Tap on it and go to View Profile. Once you go to View Profile, you can see right below your username options, there's Open to, Add Section and Enhance Profile option. For an Add Section, there are options like Core, Recommended and Additional. You have to select Recommended. Under Recommended, there is Add Project option at the third. Now you have to type in your project name, describe your project, add skill, media, and you can give additional details like start date, end date. You can add the contributors and tap on Save. And guys, that's it. That's how you add project to your LinkedIn account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.